coming in right now. After we saw Rajya Sabha, which was supposed to start at 12 o'clock, once again, it looks like Rajya Sabha has been adjourned, and this is coming in, viewers, as the business of the House lasted just a few minutes. I repeat, just a few minutes, and already the Rajya Sabha has been adjourned amongst ruckus. Big update coming in right now on Republic TV. Remember that the Indie bloc once again is protesting at Parliament, and once again we see a lot of ruckus. In the beginning of the day itself, Indie bloc was seen outside the entrance of the Parliament building holding a rose and the national flag. And in other updates coming in right now, we see that as the winter session continues, it's being adjourned time and again. And we are coming to know that Rajya Sabha will again convene tomorrow at 11 a.m. Stormy session in the Rajya Sabha. Massive uproar in the Rajya Sabha. Remember, this is coming in as the opposition is creating a ruckus, seeking the removal of Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. And the Indie bloc had submitted a notice to propose a motion to remove the House Chairman. After this, we are seeing there has been massive ruckus where the business of the House is only lasting a few minutes. Now, Rajya Sabha will be convening again tomorrow at 11 a.m. from what we are understanding. 11 a.m. once again. Now, this is the 12th day of the winter session of both houses of the Parliament. Business of both houses of Parliament has been adjourned time and again. We will move ahead right now, viewers, to some of the other stories that we are tracking and getting you some big breaking news coming in from Punjab, where the National Investigation Agency is carrying out searches at 8 locations in Punjab and 1 in Haryana in gangster terror nexus case. The NIA has conducted raids in many cities of Punjab in the early morning in Bhatinda and other districts to catch drug smugglers. NIA has raided the house of a person named Amandeen in Sri Muxtar Sahib, who is currently lodged in the jail. A case has been registered against Amandeen under the NDPS Act. Okay, now this is a big update coming in right now on Republic TV, where we are learning that the big breaking